Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a plan with me for the week of March 14th in my on-the-go planner. So my on-the-go planner is a Happy Planner Classic Skinny Classic, sorry. So this is the planner I'm using. It's the Walk by Faith Skinny Classic Planner. I love this planner. I'm thinking about soon switching out the cover, just flipping it so that this will be the front. But so far I've been enjoying this cover as well with Ephesians 2:8 on the front. And I love this little planner. So for the week of March 14th, I picked out some stickers from the Out for Adventure sticker book. I think that I'm getting antsy for summer with all of my recent sticker picks. I think in one of my last plan with me's, maybe the last one I did, I used the butterfly stickers or the papillon stickers, and those are all, you know, butterflies and flowers. So I really think I'm just ready for spring and summer. Okay, so in my on the go, I usually don't write a whole lot. I just kind of do a highlight for each day, and then specifically in this planner, I put in if there are places that I need to go, like particularly after work, usually during the week, and then on the weekend days if I'm running errands, that stuff will go in this planner so I can just take it with me. Another thing that I do in this planner besides using the, you know, the spreads, the weekly spreads, it's the perfect size for like the half sheet note paper, which I actually, oh, here I do have some by me. So like, for example, this pack of half sheet note paper, I'll pull one of these out, make a list on it, make a grocery list, or make notes. If we're going down to the Springs, going to Costco or something like that, I can, you know, make my notes on a piece of the half sheet note paper and it fits perfectly in this planner. So that's another way that I use it. Okay, and I've actually been having a lot of fun decorating this layout. This is the first planner I've ever had in the skinny classic size, and it's been really fun to decorate these layouts because it's just a little bit different and they're more simple. Probably because there's just not as much space to decorate. Okay, I'm actually gonna cover up this note section. Sometimes I will use it, sometimes I don't. I think a lot of times what ends up going there is I will write out a quote or an encouraging note. So I just figured a sticker will work as well. Okay, I'm not sure if all of those are really straight, but they're gonna work. It's hard to get them straight when you're just kind of going right in the middle of nothing. And this sticker, I love this. It might be because of the color mostly, but then the little bird and the flowers there, and it says, or the leaves, it says, "Let's sleep in." So we're gonna put that on Saturday. Usually when I sleep in, at least a little longer than during the week. All right, and then we're gonna throw a few more little birds on here. Put one right there. And then one over on the other side. And then I have a few just little like bullet point stickers that we'll put on here, and that will pretty much wrap it up. See what I mean? Really simple. Sometimes I've done some simple and then kind of like this, and then I have done some with like more stickers. Like I could really fill this out if I wanted to, but I'm going to keep this one a little simple. Okay, I do have to, I put this one down in the corner and I wanted the little grass by the tree to go right at the bottom. So there is a little overlap of the sticker. We will cut that off. And oh yes, right here too. Okay, now the little bullet points. I just pulled out the little squares. There's a whole page of squares and circles in this book, which is awesome. I love when the sticker books have at least a couple pages with like the bullet point type stickers and then the boxes. Gotta get a good mix of like functional stickers in there with the decorative. Oops, these ones are so tiny, they're hard to pick up. So what about you guys? Do you have an on-the-go planner? Do you have a Skinny Classic planner? This is the first, well, I did already mention it's the first Skinny Classic that I have, but it's also the first on-the-go planner. I've never had an on-the-go planner in my lineup before. I was considering trying it out, and then when I saw this planner available in the fall release, that's when I just decided I'm going to do it, mostly because I fell in love with this planner. Okay, one more down here on Sunday. All right, you guys, that will do it for March 14th in my on-the-go planner. Simple and definitely kind of summery, even though we're not really in the full swing of even spring here, but that's okay. This spread makes me very happy. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.